Ever wondered why your joints make that crack sound? It's not bones rubbing or anything breaking. It's actually tiny gas bubbles. Inside your joints, there's a fluid that keeps everything moving smoothly. When you stretch or twist, the pressure inside drops suddenly, and gas bubbles form and pop. That popping is the sound you hear. And no, cracking your fingers doesn't cause arthritis. That's a myth. But if you feel pain or swelling when they crack, that's when it's worth getting checked.